Hi everyone, my name is Shema of Unraveling Beauty Empire. You are highly welcome. So I'm starting with this half pack of canicolon hair. So I'm going to cut it into two equal halves. Then after that, I'm going to use this straw to coil the hair. So before then, I will cut the hair, like I said, into two equal parts. Then after cutting the hair into two equal parts, I will feather out the tips of the hair, then the tangle and the cream the hair. Then I'll continue.
Catch me off guard 1 second, make you move, I watch you in. I'm counting on I'm counting on I wanna see you again. I don't wanna pretend. Let's do it again. It's worse when you're not here. I wanna see you again, Let's do it again. I'm counting on I wanna see you again.
Then I'll start creating the curls. I can see I'm using this amount of hair and this straw. I'm using a normal straw. That's the straw that those ones that are not strong. These are the ones I can get. I will start wrapping. I'll first wrap half of the hair on the straw like so. After wrapping half part of the hair on the straw to the end like I'm showing, make sure I secure the ends. As you can see, I am not using anything to secure the ends. I'm using anything like elastic band, rubber band, or bobby pins to secure the end. Once you secure it properly, it will stay that way. After that, I will turn the other side of the straw to wrap the other half of the hair. I'm going to do this one or two more times, so you understand what I'm doing. I'm not doing anything special. I'm just twisting and wrapping it the way I'm turning my hands and this against the straw. I'm going to wrap the hair against the straw the way I am showing you. Nothing again. I'm not doing anything. And make sure you are doing it tightly, that the coils are tightly. You're not leaving any space in between the hair as you're coiling them. As you're coiling it, once I secure it, this is what the hair looks like. I'm going to repeat the process again so that you will get what I'm trying to show in case you didn't get it in the first time. Wrap the hair, wrap one side of the hair this way against the straw. Make sure you wrap tightly and firmly, but be careful so that because the straw is not the strong type of straw, it's a normal soft straw, so be careful not to bend your straw as you're doing it. Make sure the coils are tight. As you can see, they are tight and firm. Once I get to the end, it will stay like that. That was the essence of that feathering of the hair I did earlier, because the more you go, the thinner part of the hair will help to secure the hair and put the hair in place. So once I finish that side, I will turn the other side of the hair and keep wrapping it till I finish. So this is what your hair it will look like. You can see the hair is tightly wrapped on the head. Then on the straw, then I'll go in to put conditioner, leave-in conditioner. You can put any type of conditioner in your hot water, boiling hot water. After that, I will put all the hair on the straw today. Cup inside the cup of hot water. Allow that side to soak in the hot water for some minutes. Then I will turn to the other side because the cup is not that long to contain the hair at the same time. So after drying, I'll allow it to dry. After dry, this is what I get. Then I will unravel or unwrap the hair from the straw. After unraveling the hair or unwrapping the hair from the straw, the way I'm showing, this is what your coils will look like. Then to form the kinky hair, I'm going to separate the coils the way I'm showing. I'm not being gentle about separating the coils. I'm going to split just a little bit roughly as I'm showing. Separate it. Once you separate it this way, you will get your kinky hair. So guys, this idea I got from someone here on YouTube by name Jane Frances Ezonye. I saw her doing this and I love it. So let me give it a try, and this is what I got, and I'm super happy about it. So guys, if you have watched till this moment, okay, thank you so much. And if you have not subscribed yet to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, okay, and turn on notifications so you get notified whenever I upload new videos. So guys, this is what the coils look like, and I'm going to keep this hair for a particular style. You can use this for any style that you can do with kinky hair. So this is what I got after unraveling the hair. I will then go ahead to store this, or just wrap it, keep the ends secured, and store the hair for my next hairstyle, and which you guys will see. So if you want to see what I want to create using this hair, please stay tuned, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any post I make on my channel here. Amazing posts. And please like the video if you enjoyed watching it, okay? Comment what you think about this kinky hair in the comment section. Share my video, okay guys? So guys, like I said, you can use this to do any type of hair that requires you to make with kinky hair, which I will show one of them. Check the card up here. When I upload it, I'll put it here so you see the hairstyle I'll come up with this kinky hair. So I'm going to save the hair, pack the hair. That's what I'm doing now. We'll get some like tree bunch and secure it with this scrunchie, this hair tiny scrunchie that normally come with braiding hair. I'm going to secure each end with these scrunchies. Then I will pack it and secure, store it in a plastic bag till when I will use the hair for the next hairstyle. So guys, once again, thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video so far, please don't forget to hit the like button, comment what you think, share, okay? And if you have not subscribed, please, I'm begging you to subscribe to my channel. I'm so grateful for all your support so far, for all everything you have been doing for me on this channel. So I'm very grateful. Please keep sharing the love, keep supporting me, okay? I will see you again in my next video. Keep watching. Bye.
Stay right here and play the game. Catch me off guard once once again, make you move. I watch you in. I'm counting on you. I'm counting on you. I wanna see you again. I don't wanna pretend. Let's do it again. It's worse when you're not here. I wanna see you